Hello, welcome to Punwire Citadel. And so the UGC-NET answer key is out. And I think it would be a nice idea to discuss all the questions in the December 2023 question paper. Even though you have attempted it, finished it, it is better to go through the answer, correct answer, how to arrive at it. So you would have noticed the answer key and now you've got an idea how much you would score. Anyway, but I'm going to publish all the questions and the answers for all the questions. Not in this video. In each video, I'll be discussing 5 or 4 questions depending upon the time. So today, the first 5 questions we will discuss, starting with the data interpretation question. So it varies. The order of the questions vary in the different question papers. The one I downloaded contains the data interpretation 5 questions in the beginning. So let us start with that, and you will be learning how to solve it correctly. Don't miss this video till the end. Even if you have done it correctly, just go through it. It will be a revision because you have chosen academia as your profession. So you're going to be either assistant professor or a research scholar. So throughout your career, you will be using all these calculations and logical reasoning and everything. So it would be a good idea to go through it every now and then. So look at the first question. A table is given. The same table is going to be used for all the 5 questions. Listen, look at the instruction. The following table shows the percentage of boys and difference between the number of boys and the number of girls among the students of 6 different schools, A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 different schools who appeared in the board examination during 4 different years, starting from 2019 to 22. Based on the data in the table, answer the questions that follow. So the table is given, and for 6 schools, A, B, C, D, E, these are the 6 schools, and for 4 years, 2019 and 20, 21 and 22. So these are the 4 years in which the number of the boys, percentage of boys appeared is given, and also the difference between the boys and girls appeared is given. So for each year, 2 data are given. Remember the percentage of boys and the actual difference between the boys and the girls, number of boys and girls. Now go to the question. And see the in asterisk where difference means difference between the number of boys and the number of girls who appeared for the board exam. All right. Now, what is the ratio of the number of the boys who appeared from school C in 2019? So the ratio between the boys in school C in 19. So what is it? 49%. So in school C it is 49% of boys. Okay. And what is the ratio of the number of the boys who appeared in 2019 school C to girls who appeared from school E in 21? So E, look at the row directly opposite to E, and in the year 2021. So 21 E, 70% boys. So now school E, 70% boys. But see, they are asking the number of girls. So 70% boy means what will be the girls percentage? 30% girls. Okay. And now you have to compare the ratio of the number of the boys who appeared and also to the number of the girls who, we know the percentage. How do we find out the number of the boys? First we'll do it for C. So for C, boys appeared is 44. It is 4, not 9. It is 44. So what will be the girls percentage? Girls percentage will be 56 because 100 minus 44 is 56 girls. And what is the difference between 56 and 44? It is 12. The difference is 12. So what you have to find out, if the difference is 12, the total number of student is 100, isn't it? Percentage. So if how do you get the 12? 56 minus 44 is 12. If the difference is 12, the total number of students appear is 100. But what does it say? The difference is 60 here. The actual number is 60. So if the difference is 60, what is the total number of the students? So first you have to find out the total. Then only you can find out the boys. So what is the total number of students? This will go 5 times. So the total number of students is 500 here. So now find out the number of the boys. How many percentage who appeared? 44%. So 44% if the what will be the total? The total is 100. So if the now we know the total is 500. For 100 it is 44 boys, and for 500 how much is into 500? So this will go 5 times, and 44 into 5 is equal to 220. So the number of boys appeared in school C in the year 2019 is 220. So this is the same way you have to find out for girls in school E for the year 2021. So what is the percentage? Girls 30. What is the difference here? 40. The difference 40 means the total number of students is 100. If the difference is 40, the total is 100. What is the difference given here in school E in 2001? 264. So what is the total number of students? First you have to find out only the total. 264. Now divide it, and this one divided by 4, 6, 24, 6, 4, 66 into 10 is equal to 660. Now we got the total number of students, and we want the actual number of the girls. What is the percentage appeared girls? 30. So if it is 100 total, then you have 30 girls. If it is 660, what is the total? This 0 will go off, and this will go off. 66 into 3 is equal to 198. 198. So find out the ratio now. We got the boys who appeared in the year 2019 in the school C is 220, and the girls is 198. And find out the simplify it. We got the ratio. This is the ratio. Simplify it. It will go in 11. If you divide it by 11, you get 20, and this also by 11, you get 1 time 18, and again by divided by 2, you get 10, and divided by 2, you get 9. 10 is to 9. So the correct answer is the fourth one. You got it? So for both the things, first you have to find out the total number of the students, then only you can find out the number of the boys or the number of the girls appeared. Alright? Now look at the second problem. And see, the table is the same. So we need not read this thing instruction once again. We know now from the question 1 what is given. The boys percentage for each year is given, and the total difference between boys and girls, number of boys and number of girls who appeared, is given for 4 years. That already we know. Now look at the directly to the question. So what is the difference between total number of students appearing from school B in 2020 and that in 22? So it is enough we look into B alone. You need not bother about any other school. Just look into B, total number of students in the year 2020 and 22. So here 2020, this is the boys is 48. Okay, and the difference is 18, right? And here in the year 2022 in B school, the boys is 60% and the difference is put the percentage, and here also boys is 88%, 48%, and the difference is in B 90. So it is enough we copy that data 90. Now we can straight away do the problem. Here boys is 48, that means girls is 52, right? And the difference, find the difference is 4%, right? Same way, or we are going to find out the total because they are asking total number of students. So the difference is 4. So if the difference is 4, the total is 100, isn't it? 100 percentage. So 100. So if the difference is 18, what is the total? This is the formula. So this will go 25 times 100. 25 into 18 is equal to 450. You just multiply and see. Is to, this is the ratio they are asking. And now come to the year 2022. It is 60% of boys. What is the remaining? 40% to the girls. And what is the difference? 20%. So girls is 20. If the difference is 20%, this is 2. Okay, the difference is 20%. The total is 100. And if the difference is 90, the difference is 90, because 90 is given here, the difference. Got it from here. If the difference is 20, it is, so how many times the 20 will go in 100? 5 times. 5 into 90 is equal to 450. The ratio between this thing is 1:1. That is no difference. Now what is the question? What is the difference between the total number of students appearing in the year 2020 and 22? Here also 450, here also 12. The difference is 0. So the option 1 is correct. Select option 1. Alright. Now you know what is given in the table. You need not read the instructions straight away. You can go to the questions. Considering all 4 years together, what is the average number of boys who appeared from school E? So if you read only the E school, that is enough. So let me copy down the data. 75 E school, 75% to 80, and next one, next year 60%, 136, and next one 70 to 64, and next one 66% and 224. Okay, now you have to find the girls percentage. If boys is 75, because you have to know the girls percentage, only then you can find out the total. First you have to find out the total, then find out the total number of boys for all the 4 years, then add the 4 years boys number, then find the average divided by 4. That is how you find the average. So 3 steps are involved. So 75% girls is 25%, right? So what is the difference? 75 minus the 25 is 50. The difference is 50. So if the difference is 50, the total students are 100. If the difference is 50, the total students are 100. If the difference is 280, what is the total students? You will get 560. The total number of students is 560. Okay, and now this is the total number of students. And you have to find the total number of boys. So what is the total number of boys? 75%. 560 into 75 divided by 100. This is for percentage. Divided by 100. So this will give the total number of boys for this year. So that will come to 420. You simplify this and see. Like that, you do it for all the 4 years. Find out the girls' percentage, find the difference, and then find the total number of students, and then the total number of boys, and then add all the 4 years one. So like that, if you do this for the year 2020, you will get the total number of boys as total number of boys is 408. This number of boys is 408. And for the third year 2021, the total number of boys is 462. Do it the same way. I don't have space here. And in the fourth year 2022 also, it is 462, the number of boys. So add all these 4. That is the number of the boys. Which 4 you should add? 420 plus 408 plus 462 plus 462. If you add that, you will get 1752. This is the total number of boys appearing in the exam for all the 4 years. Then you want the average. 4 years divided by 4. Then you get 438. Okay. Which is the 438 option. Third option is the correct one. Okay. Okay. Third option. You got it? I'm doing it only for the 1 year. You do the calculations for the other this thing, because I find it very difficult to write with the mouse, and I don't have space also here. The same procedure. That is, the number of percentage boys is given. You minus it from 100, you will get the percentage of girls. Find out the difference between boys and girls. Without finding the difference, you cannot find the total number of students, because the difference is given. So find the difference between boys and girls. That is 50. So if 50 is the difference, the total students is 100. So how much is the total students if the difference is 280? Like that, you find out for all the 4 years. You will get the total number of students, and then you know the percentage of boys. 75%. How much is 75% in that number for 20? How much is 60% in this number? Find out. Then that will give you the number of boys in each year. Add all the number of boys for each year. You add all the 4 years, you get 1752. And why are you dividing it by 4? Because 4 years average. You want average for 4 years. Divided by 4, you get 438. That is the right answer. Yes, look at the fourth sum. Here in the year 2019, number of students appearing from school F is dash percentage more than the number of students appearing from school C. So we need to consider only the year 2019. This column will do for school F and C. F, first note down F. What is the F data? 44 and 90. And the data for C, school C, here 44, 60, same 44 and 60. This is the data. Now we should find out the total number of students appearing, right? Then how much increase in percentage we must find out. So 44, now we should know again the percentage of girls is 56. So luckily here also the same. You need not calculate. 44 means girls for the school, other school. See. And now what is the difference between 44 and 56? It is 12. So 12, if the difference is 12, what will be the total number of students appearing? 100. If the difference is 90, where did you get the 90? The data we got it from the year. So for F, it is 90, right? 90. So if it is 90, how much total number of students? Now divide this. Go 6, 45, 45 into 6, 4,500 into 6. Yeah, 7 times 750. So 750 is the total number of students appearing in the year 2019 from school F. Okay, the same way for this school C. So we know the girls percentage is same, the difference is again the same, 12. So here the difference is 12, then the total students are 100 if the difference is 60. 60 is here. Okay, C. See here 60. So this into 60. 12 will go 65 times. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500. So F is more greater number of students, 750, and here 500 students. How much it is more? You have to express in percentage. How much is the difference? 250. The increase is how much more? 250. Students are more. 500, 750 minus 500 is 250. So 250 is increase for how many students? For 500. It's not for 750. It is only for 500. So how many will be more for 100? Because it is asked in percentage. So 20 will go up, 20 will go up. This 5 times 50. So 50% increase. 50% increase. That is not 8. This is 5. Okay. 50% increase. So what is the right option? Option number 4. Got it? This is how we should do it. Very simple. So look at the fourth question. What is the total number of girls who appeared in the examination from all the 6 schools in the year 2020? So it is enough you look into 2020 data for all the schools. So these 2 columns you should copy it. So for all the six schools, it is 60, 70. Okay, 60, 70. And next school, B school, it is 48, 18. So you copy it all. Okay, I'm not doing it for all the 6 schools. You have to do it. And now how will you find out? We want only the girls. First you have to find out the total, then the girls, and then add. So we know only boys now. What is the percentage of girls now? If 60 is the percentage of boys, we know it is 40% is girls. What is the difference? 20 is the difference. If 20 is the difference, the total number is 100. Same formula for all the sums. 70 is the difference. So 70. What is the total number of students who appeared? So this will become 350. So this is total number of students is 350. 350 total. We want only girls. What is the percentage of girls in that? 40%. Isn't it? 60 minus, 100 minus 60 is 40%. So what is 40% of 350? So into 40 divided by 100. So you get 140 is to girls for that particular school. Which school? A school I have put. Same way you have to find out for B school. What is the percentage? That is 48% and 18 different. So same way, that is you have to find out the girls. Remaining is 52. That is the girls. And what is the difference? The difference is 4. 48 and 52 is 4. If the difference is 4, the total is 100. If the difference is 18, you will get 450 students. Out of that 450 students, how many percentage is girls? 52% girls. So you get for the B school, you get 234 girls. Same way you have to find out. And for C schools, you will get 108. And D, you will get 258. For school E, you will get 272 girls. And for F, you will get 352. If you add up all the 6 schools, you will get total number of girls 1364. Total girls for all the 6 schools in the year 2020. 1364. Option 1. So first option is the correct one. So I have done it only for school A. Same method you have to follow. First, copy that entire data 60 for 220. 60 first column is the difference. Sorry, percentage of boys. The second one is the difference. So 60% boys means 40% girls. What is the difference? Difference is 60 minus 40, 20. If 20 is the difference, total student is 100. Then if 70 is the difference, you will find the total student 350. Then find the 40%. Because why 40%? Girls. We are bothered about only girls, number of girls. So how many are the girls? Percentage is for 100. So for 350 it is 140. Like that you have to find out for all the 6 schools. Only the total number of girls who appeared for the exam, then add up, it will come to 136. It is as simple as that. Okay. Yes, friends, we have seen all the 5 problems under data interpretation, which appeared in the UGC-NET 2023 December. I hope you all understood the problems, how to do it. And it's very easy to score. 5 into 2, 10 marks. In data interpretation, provided you read the table first time carefully, once, twice. So once you do the first problem correctly, then automatically all the other problems, it will become very easy for you. You need not read the table once again. You just go dash into that particular year, the particular column or that particular rows. Then you can easily retrieve the data and find out what is asked. All right. And if you have not subscribed to my channel Panvaira Citadel, please do so. And I am planning to put all the answer solutions for all the questions in this 2023 NET paper. Look forward to it and click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Bye-bye.